Hi, I'm Chris with Teak Warehouse, and today we're going to build the medium teak nesting table. Here's a few tools that you're going to need that aren't included in the box. A box cutter, wood glue, we prefer Gorilla, but any brand will do, a rubber mallet, a Phillips head screwdriver, a hand saw, and 120 grit sandpaper. So I've laid all the pieces out and I made sure to match the symbols here with the symbols here to make sure they all go together well. Step one, I'm going to take a dime-sized bit of glue and insert it in each of these holes. Step two, I'm going to insert the mortise into the tenon. Use my hands at first. And then the rubber mallet. Flip it around and do the other side now. Make sure to alternate. Beautiful. Once it's nice and tight, I'm ready to put my screws in. Open up my screw pack. Gotta put a little pressure there to push it down. Make it nice and tight. Great. Now on to step four. Insert the dowels. Get it started. Hammer it down. And go ahead and hammer it as far as it goes in. It's not going to go all the way, as you see, and you're going to have to cut the rest off. Now I'm going to cut away the dowels. And now give it a good sand. Let's do that again. Flip the table over. Take the dowel in your hand. Put it in the hole. Pound it in as far as it'll go. At some point, it'll stop. Put the dowel in the hole. Pound it down as far as it'll go. Now I'm going to cut these dowels off. And take the sandpaper real fast. Just to sand the dowel smooth. And voila, the table is now all fully assembled.